Hey guys, today I'll show you how to make all Facebook photos hidden from the public. So if you guys would like to go ahead and make all of the photos that you have uploaded on Facebook hidden, this is going to be pretty easy. Just go on over your menus on the lower corner and then tap on your settings. And once you're here, I want you to go on over your activity. Once you're already on your activity, I want you to tap on your activity log and go on over your photos and videos. So tap on your Facebook activity. You should see your posts over here, and also your posts, photos, and videos. So once you're already there, I want you to go ahead and wait for this to load. And once this is done loading, you can actually proceed now with choosing all of the posts that you have made over here, or also just changing this metric or this category to only your photos. As you would see, we only have the option to set it to your posts, photos, and videos. So let's actually set it to that. Let's select all of these and then go on over and change its audience. You can actually go ahead and do that and change the audience of all of these posts simultaneously. Just tap on change audience and then set it to only me so that it could be hidden from the public and only you will see this. Essentially, that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and take care.